Today we will solve page 73 and 75, another worksheet. Simplify and convert it as mixed number if possible. So how can we solve this problem? Look, here both denominator are same. Okay, that means like fraction. Then what will we do? We have to just add the numerator. So denominator will be 11 and we have to add the numerator 15 plus 7. So what is 15 plus 7? That will be 22. So 22 divided by 11. So now if we divide 22 by 11, then we'll get 11 to the 22. So remainder is 0. So our answer will be 2. Now number B. Number B says 4 whole 1 by 15 plus 3 whole 4 by 15. So at first we have to add the whole number. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, that will be 7. And if we add the proper fraction, that means 1 by 15 and 4 by 15, then what will we get? Here the denominators will be 15 because 1 by 15 and 4 by 15 are like fraction. So we have to just add the numerator 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, that is 5. 5 divided by 15. Now divide both numerator and denominator both by 5. Then 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. 1 by 3. So we can write our answer will be 7 whole 1 by 3. 7 whole 1 by 3. So this is the first answer. This is the second answer. Okay. Now number C. Number C says 9 whole 3 by 5 minus 5 whole 2 by 5. So at first we have to subtract the whole number. 9 minus 5, that will be 4. And 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So if both denominators are same, then we have to only subtract the numerator. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, that will be 1. 1 by 5. Simple. So here our answer will be 4 whole 1 by 5. So 4 whole 1 by 5 will be the final answer of number C. Now number D. Number D, 15 by 18 minus 5 by 18. Already it is given in like fraction. Okay. So what will we do? Since both one are like fraction, so we have to just simplify the numerators. 15 minus 5. And 15 minus 5, that will be 10. 10 divided by 18. Now we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 5 is 10 and 2 9 is 18. So 5 by 9 will be the final answer of number D. Now number E and F. Number E says 8 whole 1 by 6 plus 3 whole 1 by 6. So how can we solve this problem? At first we have to add the whole number. 8 plus 3, that will be 11. And if we add the fraction 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, then what will we get? Look, both denominators are same. So we have to just add the numerator. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 by 6. Now we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 2. Look, then what will we get? 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. So our final answer should be 11 whole 1 by 3. And number F, our last problem. Number F says 5 by 12 minus 9 by 24. These fractions are not like fractions. So we have to convert it as like fraction. How? We have to multiply the first fraction by 2. Then it will be 5 2 is 10, 12 2 is 24. Minus 9 by 24. Now, look at these, both fraction are like fraction. So we have to just subtract the numerator. So 10 minus 9, that will be 1. 1 by 24 will be the final answer of this problem. So in this way, we can easily solve this worksheet.